If you're seeing a Squarespace login error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to figure out what's causing it and how to fix it step by step. We'll start with the most important check, then move into the simple browser fixes that solve most login problems in just a few minutes. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, check whether the issue is happening only on your device or whether Squarespace itself is having a wider problem. The easiest way to do that is to visit the official Squarespace status page. Right now, the status page reports that all servers are fully operational, with no active authentication or dashboard outages. That means the problem is much more likely to be on your end, which is good news because it usually means you can fix it yourself. Next, open a fresh Incognito window or private browsing tab. This is important because private mode starts with a clean session and avoids a lot of stored browser data that can interfere with login. Once the private window is open, go directly to squarespace.com and try logging in again. Don't use an old bookmark or a search result if you can avoid it. Go straight to the official site so you know you're testing the real login flow. If the login works in incognito or private mode, that's a strong sign your main browser cache, cookies, or saved site data are causing the issue. In that case, go into your browser settings and clear the cookies and cached site data specifically for squarespace.com. You do not always need to clear everything in your browser. In fact, targeting just the Squarespace site data is usually the safest first move because it avoids logging you out of every other account. After clearing the Squarespace cookies and cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging in normally again. If that solves it, you're done. If not, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, Privacy Badger, and similar privacy or content blocking tools can sometimes block scripts that Squarespace needs in order to process the login page correctly. Even if the extension is useful for everyday browsing, it can accidentally interfere with authentication pages. To test this, temporarily turn off your extensions, especially anything that blocks ads, trackers, cookies, or scripts. Then refresh the Squarespace login page and try again. If the login starts working after disabling one of those extensions, you found the cause. You can leave it disabled for Squarespace or add the site to the extensions allow list so it won't interfere in the future. At this point, you've covered the most common causes of a Squarespace login error: platform status, browser cache, and extension conflicts. Those three checks solve a lot of sign-in problems without needing anything more advanced. If you're still stuck, repeat the process in a different browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, because sometimes the issue is limited to one browser profile. But in most cases, checking the status page, trying incognito mode, clearing Squarespace site data, and disabling problematic extensions will get you back into your account quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.